If you suffer from chronic pain, you're not alone. Millions of Americans are living with pain, but you don't have to. Consider a new laser technology that is available right here in the D.C. area. Dr. M. Scott White, D.C., is here from New Life Laser to tell us how it works. So welcome. We are happy to see you.
It's wonderful to be here.
Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's start off. I understand you are going to tell us how to get out of pain without using drugs or surgery.
Yes, listen, I've been in practice for 32 years, and this is the most amazing tool for getting rid of pain I've ever found. Now listen, for 4 years I did pain management, where we did steroid shots, epidurals.
Right.
This is much better because it's natural, it doesn't hurt you. What the deep tissue robotic laser does is it doesn't cut.
Wow.
Knee pain, hip pain, so it's an amazing procedure.
Are there any side effects?
There are no negative side effects. That's the wonderful thing about this. You know, if you take pills, you're covering up symptoms. And we know that the medicine long-term isn't good for you.
Right.
And look, if you have to keep taking pills, it's not fixing the problem, right?
Right.
And steroid shots, again, they're bad for you. So if you get a steroid shot for short-term relief, and again, I'm guilty, I did it for 4 years, but you'll get short-term relief anywhere from 3 hours to 3 months. The problem is it's hurting you long-term. It's accelerating the degeneration. Surgery, hey, we got to run from it if we can.
Right.
You know, spinal surgery is 50% failure rate, 30% complication rate, and 1 in 2,000 people meet Jesus. So this is totally safe. There's absolutely no negative side effects.
And it doesn't hurt?
No, there's no pain associated with it.
You don't feel any tingling, any warmth, anything?
Well, you might feel a little tiny bit of warmth, a tingle, but there's no tissue destruction, there's no downtime, it doesn't hurt. People, if you feel anything, it's like a deep, like a massage, a warm massage,
Oh, wow.
but it doesn't hurt at all.
Like a hot stone massage.
Well, that sounds good, but not quite like that.
So you could kind of come in and do this like on your lunch break.
Yes, certainly. And listen, we have 4 locations, Woodbridge, Bethesda, Arlington, and Fairfax, and we see thousands of patients. And the cool thing is, like I said, 7 out of 10 patients, the very first treatment, feel better. And again, this is something you can do with absolutely no negatives at all. It cannot hurt you. And this is cool. The vast majority of our patients, once they do a procedure, they don't have to come back for the same area. So again, it's not just covering up symptoms, it's actually doing something to fix the problem.
That's not, especially when you're talking about the spine, because it's, you can start off here and just keep working down or up.
Yeah, you know what, we do necks, backs, you know, spinal stenosis, knee replacements. My gosh, they're giving them out like, you know, samples at Costco.
Right.
And look, it's major surgery.
Yeah.
You know, the small problems when you're 30, 40, 50 compound and snowball into the big problems when you're 50, 60, 70, 80.
Right.
And listen, they tell us we're going to live to be 71 years old. No, people are living to be in their 80s, their 90s. My oldest patient is 100. So look, we want to fix these problems now so that when you get older, you can golf, you can play tennis, you can lift your grandbabies, and you can walk. And so
this is going to help prevent, hopefully help prevent you from having a surgery, but if you've already had a surgery, and that's sometimes as a side effect that you're still sore, can the laser help? Yeah,
and the cool thing is, look, if you've had surgery, the laser can work all around. It won't hurt you. It'll work all around where the screws and the plates, and actually draw out inflammation, turn on stem cells, and cause the surgery to work the absolute best it can. Even if you're having a knee replacement, hip replacement, and it's still swollen and still hurts, you know what? This can get you further along, you know, to where you can feel a lot better.
Oh, wow. All right, well, doctor, before you go, you have a special that you're offering right now?
I do, and this is very special.
Okay.
Look, call 1-888-PAIN-FREE. That's 1-888-PAIN-FREE. Now, we've got people standing by for the next 2 hours. When you call, tell them where you live. Again, we're accepting new patients in Woodbridge, Bethesda, Arlington, and Fairfax. And we're going to do a completely no-charge first visit. We'll do 2 free laser treatments. So it's my gift to you. And again, 7 out of 10 of our patients feel better even after the very first treatment. So call 1-888-PAIN-FREE. God bless you, and we look forward to helping you get out of pain.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, and where can we find you online?
Well, you can go to laserspineassociates.com.
Okay, and then 1-888-PAIN-FREE. People are standing by the phones for the first 2 hours.
Hey, you got to tell them that you saw me on this wonderful...
On Let's Talk Live.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you so much. I might have to come visit you myself.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Doc. And coming up, we have more right after the break on Let's Talk Live, so stay with us.